This is a box of 40 artificial roses. They kind of come in two sets. They're all loose, but they're kind of clumped together in two batches here. I was sent these to review from Hot Tops, so let me show you a closer look. Each one is about 20 inches long, really nice size. They are bendable, so you can bend them straight or you can bend them to fit inside a vase, for example. You can cut it if you need to, just really flexible, pun intended. When you get up close, they are definitely noticeable that they are artificial because they're that kind of fabric. Just barely you can see the cut and whatnot. The leaves are nicely designed with the veins and the serrated edges. The back is more plain, but then you've got the stem details. And then here's an up close of the stem, also very obviously artificial. So you're not gonna be having these and trying to fake someone out, but still, I mean, look at the impact here. When you have all 40, that is a lot of roses. And if you're not super, super up close inspecting them, they pass as real. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous. They're really durable too. Woo! They're a gorgeous artificial rose that you can use for decorations and not have to worry about watering them or keeping them fresh. So many ways you can use these for a banquet, for centerpieces, for a bouquet, you name it. They make these in a ton of colors as well, so you can get single color, you can get all the colors and mix and match and create different centerpieces for different holidays and themes. This isn't even half. Here is the other bunch. Like, you just get so many flowers with this. Oh, I love it.